The following takes place between 7:30 a.m. and I'm not sure on the day of the eclipse.
You got a umbrella set up at the lake spot. She likes to go inside the trap.
There's a lot of space in there.
Uh-huh.
It's 12:02 and the eclipse started a few minutes ago.
Okay, just blast it. That's the idea with the camera.
What if you rubber band it?
It's close to 1 o'clock during the eclipse and things are beginning to look a little bit hazy.
You're not drinking the water? Through the eclipse glasses, it looks cool.
Even here, it looks like hazy. Here left slightly.
Mom's a total faker.
Kristen's not even looking at the sun.
Yeah. Do you see a sun there? No, it's over there.
Bees. It's a diamond ring. I just looked at it and got blinded.
You can look.
Cool eclipse.
Oh, look! Take your glasses off.
It looks so cool.
Whoa!
But I still can't see Mars. You'll see it soon. Wow, that's awesome. You can see the stars. Look.
Yeah.
That's so awesome.
Oh yeah, it's cool. That's really cool.
Oh my gosh.
That's really cool.
I can't believe how awesome that is.
I wish we could take a good picture of it. Wait, Kristen, can I take a picture?
This looks so cool. It's just like a ring. It's just like a white ring. That's awesome. This is so much more awesome than I thought it would be. It's like a white ring.
All right, it's over.
No, but Mom. I want to keep watching it.
Yeah.
Mom, it's like if you're like in your house with no lights on and all the curtains closed, it's gonna be dark. But then if you turn on the lights, it instantly gets bright. That's basically what just happened.
I don't even believe what I saw.
Me neither. How is that possible that I got so dark just then?
That was awesome, guys.
That was worth it.
Yeah, it was worth it. Coming here. I didn't think it was gonna be worth it.
I'm angry.
Why?
It's over.
All right, we gotta get back home. Hurry! Hurry, we gotta get back home. Faster.
I'm really excited to leave.
Wasn't that amazing?
Yeah.
What was cool about it?
Bailey's beads, diamond ring, and the eclipse.
It was amazing how just dark it got.
And then I got light so quickly.
And the ring around the sun was amazing.
Yeah, it's just Ruby said that we didn't get to see Mars and Venus.
Amazing.
And we still checked out in time.
Oh.
We have 2 minutes to spare.
Yeah, it's still going on. Wait, what's happening? It looks like someone just took a really small bite of the sun. But look at that traffic jam. It goes up that hill, so that's a good thing for me and Kristen. Because we have school tomorrow. Now we're going to stop at like a Walmart, and we think we're just going to dry camp for the night because there's so much traffic. Like, look at that on the left.
Crazy. Maybe we shouldn't have gotten off the highway.
We think we're just gonna wait it out till like 6 and check the traffic again at like Walmart and maybe eat at Culver's, then dry camp. We're at a Walmart and our plan is we're gonna stay here for a while, just look around at stuff. We're at Culver's.
This is our second stop on our way home. We're at Menards, the beautiful Menards.
We're gonna take Bailey and Menards if he's allowed. Kristen's interested in this toilet. There's even something in there. We're stuck in a lot of traffic. We're gonna get home at like 2 in the morning. It's currently almost 9.
Is saying Apple pitch for facial recognition is that it
But
is
the
quicker,
traffic's
more
pretty
secure.
bad.
This is insane. We got off the highway because Google Maps told us a faster way to get home. And this gas station is crazy filled. And Bailey is standing right next to a toad and he doesn't even know about it. Bailey, what's that? Can you believe it? Can you believe it?
He's big! Bailey just stepped on this toad! He just stepped on it!
It's 5:19 and we got home.
I expected to get home at like 3.
No, it's 5:19.